Chandana Lepa. So when you apply the Chandana Lepa over the cardiac region, which constrict the blood vessels of the cardiac, so by that, which reduces the movement of the blood. So it may reduce the spreading nature. So maybe on that basis, they have indicated in case of the Visha. Okay. Next, we'll move to the useful part is heartwood, Kandasara. Okay. So Kandasara, please write in Sanskrit terminal only, Kandasara. Don't write in English. It becomes Kandasara also. So many times you will get wrong answer. Kandasara it becomes. So write the term, technical term as Kandasara in Sanskrit itself. Kandasara, that you can say heartwood. The matra 3 to 6 gram, Quata 50 to 100 ml. This is the normal. Taila is 5 to 10 drops. Some of the Vishishta yogas like Chandana Bala Lakshadi Taila. Chandana Lakshadi Taila. Chandana Bala Lakshadi Taila. Chandana Bala Lakshadi Taila. Chandana Taila. Dashangalepa. Chavanprash. Chandana Sava. So these are the some of the important preparations. So this is the picture what you are observing. That is what I have told the Grahya Lakshana of Chandana. That is Granthi Kotra Sanyuktam. It should be naughty. So that picture, it is somewhat like Gantu. This type of Chandana is considered as best. Okay. And Chandanadivati, Ashokarishta, Anutaila, Dhanvantra Kashaya, Kalyanaka Guruta. So these are the some of the preparations of Chandana. Okay. So if you want, you can take the, it is better if you buy at this sloka. So many times they have asked in the exam, Vaivavasi examination, that is Grahya Lakshana of Chandana or Uttama Chandana Guna. Uttama Chandana Guna. This is Swade Tiktam, Kashepitam, Chedhe Raktam, Tanau Shitam, Granti Kotara Sanyuktam, Chandhanam Sreshta Muchate. So you can easily buy at this shloka. Okay. So everyone, if you know this shloka, it is well and good. So many times they have asked in the Vaivavasi and also they have asked in the examination also. Okay. So this is some apart from medicinal values. So many the economical purpose. They are preparing so many the instruments or the different things they are preparing. See here, they have prepared some of the statues by using the sandalwood. Okay. So this is one of the paper cuttings in Times of India, Times of New India. So there I have get these informations. That is 7/4/2015. That is in the April month in 2015. 20 woodcutters from Tamil Nadu gunned by Andhra Pradesh police in Sheshachalam forest at the foot of Tirumala Hills in Tirupati. In Tirupati, the 20 people killed by Andhra Pradesh, the Andhra Pradesh police, they have killed 20 people. So these people are from Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu, the 20 people, they have came to cut the red sandalwood, Rakta Chandana, which is more in the foot of Tirumala. There is a Sheshachalam forest. There ability it is available. So the 20 people is killed by the Andhra Pradesh police in 7/4/2015. If you want, you can go through the, you will get in the Google search. There also you will get. So this another, the news is there. 17/4/2015. What it shows the importance of this plant. I want to highlight the importance of this plant. Okay. So in 17/4/2015, Baba Ramdev, that is Patanjali Yoga Pita, he bought 706 ton of red sandalwood. That is Rakta Chandana. He purchased Ramdev Baba, the Patanjali Ramdev Baba. He purchased 706 ton red sandalwood from from the government of India. From the government of India, he purchased 706 ton for 207 crore rupees. See, so Rakta Chandana is more costly than Sweta Chandana. So I have mentioned around about 15,000 rupees per kg. But whereas Rakta Chandana, it is more costliest. That is 2 to 3 times costlier than Sweta Chandana. So in some the site I have get, it is around about 25 to 30,000 rupees per kg. the Rakta Chandana, the genuine quantity of Rakta Chandana, you will get 25 to 30,000 rupees per kg. So if you cultivate one plant, so in around about 25 to 30 years, so you can earn like crores together you can earn. But the main problem is its protection. Because of its valuable nature, so many people they used to smuggle. I think we will very well known about like Veerappan and so many, even the film actors. Is in the next slide, I want to show that one. So here, 23 to 2018, 50 tons of red sandalwood to be exported to China by Patanjali. So it is seized by, see, in India, they have purchased for 207 crore rupees. So some part of the Chandana they have used and some part, excuse me, so in 23 to 2018, there is 50 tons of red sandalwood to be exported to China. So in China, the cost of the drug is more. That is 2 to 3 times than what he has purchased for 207 crore rupees. So that amount he can get by selling this 50 tons only. So maybe and that intention they have selling to exporting to the China. Okay. So the red sandalwood is seized from smugglers in the recent years by the Andhra Pradesh government, fetched around 1,000 crore rupees. See how much they are costliest and how much the people they are smuggling. So 1,000 crore rupees of involving. See the Telugu actor Neetu Agarwal was arrested in this case only. So the even the this one, the royal, the film actors, the politicians, so the different field, the well-known peoples, they are involving in smuggling because they get easily, they used to get the amount. They become some more, they will get more amount by doing this one. Okay, just in brief, I want to complete this drug. Rakta Chandana, Rakta Varnam Chandanam Idamiti. So the Chandana which is having Rakta Varna, that is called as Rakta Chandana. So Rakta Chandana is considered as red variety of Chandana. The botanical source is Pterocarpus santalinus. Pterocarpus. Ptero means like winged. Carpus means the fruit. The fruits are wing-like the structures. Okay, I'm sure the pictures. Pterocarpus santalinus belongs to the Fabaceae family. So Sweta Chandana belongs to Santalinaceae family, whereas Rakta Chandana belongs to the Fabaceae family. So please remember, Rakta Chandana belongs to Fabaceae family. Okay, Pterocarpus santalinus. So vernacular names: Lal Chandana, red sandalwood, Kempu Gandhada Mara. So Charaka has not mentioned directly as Rakta Chandana, but whereas Shishruta, Patoladi and Sarivadigana has mentioned this Shishira Dvayam in Sarivadigana. Okay, so the synonyms of Rakta Chandana: Raktasaram, Raktanga, Pravala Kshudra Chandanam. Raktasaram, Raktanga, Pravala Kshudra Chandanam. Based on its red color, they are all the synonyms. Raktasaram as Gandhasara, there for Shweta Chandana, it is Raktasara. As the Sara, there is the heartwood which is having Raktavarna. Raktanga, there is the heartwood which is having red in color. Pravala Phalam, as you all know, the Pravala in Rashishastra, which is having red in color. They are comparing the Varna of heartwood of Rakta Chandana is having as like that of Prabala Sadrusha. Prabala Sadrusha Phalani Santashyaha Kshudra Chandanam. So this is the type of leaf. The Chandana is having simple leaf, type of leaf simple, whereas Rakta Chandana is compound leaf. See, this is these two are considered as the lateral leaflets. This is the terminal leaflet. Okay, so this is a trifoliate compound leaf. So this is the branch. So this is the leaf. This green expanded part is called the lamina, which is dissected, forms the two lateral leaflets, one terminal leaflet. So this is the trifoliate compound leaves. Type of leaf is trifoliate compound leaves. In some cases, the leaflets are maybe sub-opposite. Here you can observe it is opposite, maybe, but sometimes you will get sub-opposite also. Okay, so here you can observe the inflorescence. So this is raceme inflorescence, because older flowers at the base, younger flowers towards the apex. So this is the flower buds. So this is the old flowers. Okay. So this is the stem of Rakta Chandana. So here it is a deeply furrowed. So you can observe the deeply furrowed the stem. Okay. So the stem is rough, deep blue foreroot, and so this is the branches. So this is the leaf, the leaf of single one leaf. So these are the two lateral leaflets. Here you can observe they are somewhat subopposite. Subopposite. These are lateral leaflets. This is the terminal leaflet. This is the lower surface of Rakta Chandana. Okay. So this is upper surface of that lateral leaflet. This is the lower surface of lateral leaflet. This is the terminal leaflet. So you can observe the terminal leaflet, the apex. So apex is somewhat, it is emarginate. Apex is somewhat emarginate, and shape is somewhat round also. Okay. So this is another picture of Rakta Chandana plant. So this is a leaflet of Rakta Chandana, lateral leaflet. So this is the fruit. This why they have called it as an pterocarpus. Carpus means fruit. Ptero means winged, winged like fruit. So this is Bija Pradhana. In the same way, like Bijaka is that is a terminally tomentosa, terminally tomentosa, and Pterocarpus marsupium, Bijak and Asana. Somewhat controversy is there, but there also you get the same type of fruit. That is winged. That is Bija Pradhana. In the fruit, the seed will be predominant. Okay, that is a winged fruit. Okay, so habit. It is a small evergreen tree. That is also same as like that of Chandana. You can say small to medium sized evergreen tree. So which grows about 25 to 30 feet. Even in natural habitat, even up to you will get 50 feet height also. Okay, the heartwood is dark purple in color. Heartwood is dark purple in color. So usually Rakta Chandana, they have not asked for about the morphology. Okay, so that's why I will go somewhat fast. So heartwood is dark purple in color, and it is very hard. Type of leaf is trifoliate compound leaves. Arrangement is alternate. So type of leaf is trifoliate leaf. Arrangement of leaf, not the leaflet. So leaf are opposite or sub-opposite leaflets, whereas the leaves is alternate. Leaf is alternate. Okay. Arrangement of leaflet is sub-opposite. Shape is broadly elliptic, or sometimes you can say somewhat round. Apex is obtuse or emarginate. Obtuse means there is no projections or any elevations. Some depressions is there. Based on that, you can say somewhat emarginate or obtuse. Size of the leaflet is 4 to 7.5 centimeter in length. Entire margin, the petiole is 2 to 4 centimeter long. So this is the inflorescence. You can observe yellowish colored flowers. These individual flowers. So this is the Kandasara. When you cut, when you make an incision over the stem, you will get red colored the exudate, which is this in this picture you can observe. So this is the Kandasara they used to exudate. So this is a Rakta Chandana plant. So you can observe the this is the heartwood. So this is the girth, the heartwood. This is the sapwood. Okay. So this is the timbers of Rakta Chandana, more valuable. It is like gold. It is like gold or diamond. It is having that much of valuable plant. Okay. This is the timbers of they are ready for marketing purpose. Okay. So this is the Rakta Chandana, more valuable drug. See the girth of the plant. This is the Rakta Chandana Churna. This is fine powder. The inflorescence is terminal, axillary, few flowered, raceme inflorescence. So whereas Chandana is panicle, cyme inflorescence. This is raceme inflorescence. Flowers are yellowish color. Chandana flowers are purple color, brownish purple in color. Okay. Fruit is pod. Type of fruit is pod because it belongs to the Fabaceae family. Whereas the Chandana belongs to Santalinaceae family. Type of fruit is drupe. Drupe, that one. This is pod. And shape is globose. Size of the fruit, that is 4 centimeter diameter, oblique, gradually narrow into a short stalk. So heartwood, the sample have tough rectangular pieces of heartwood up to 18 centimeter long and 3.5 centimeter in diameter. Surface is dark reddish brown in color. Okay. Red sandalwood, that is Utpatisthana. So as this is also same like that of Chandana. So mainly in South Indian state like Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. So in these regions, so it is abundantly available. The active principle of Chandana, Rakta Chandana, xanthallin, xanthalic acid, xanthalic pterocarpin, detoxyxanthallin, and quinotanic acid. Okay, so same as like that of Chandana, the properties. Tikta Madhura Rasa, that is Lagu Ruksha Guna, this is Guru Ruksha Guna. Kadu Vipaka Shita Virya, Pitta, Kapha Shamaka Karma. So karma is almost all same. Some the important the preparations they have prepared, mainly it is like a Kamottejaka. So the red sandalwood, especially in case of to prepare the Kama Uttejana they are preparing because it is having Kamottejaka, the actions. So Varnya, same as like that of Chandana. Okay, Kamottejaka, so indicating case of Napumshakata, Tvak Doshahara, Trushnahara, Kushtagni. Same you can mention the medicinal values. But apart from the Shweta Chandana, the Rakta Chandana is more they are using for ornamental preparations, especially in the royal families. The royal families they used to prepare so many the instruments or the ornaments, the wood ornaments by using Rakta Chandana. So, so it can be for thousands of years they used to come. Thousands of years they used to present. So it will not affected by any worms or any insects. They will not infect. It will not easily. It is not easily breakable. So because of that, it is having more the like a piano, comb. So many the ornamental instruments they used to prepare by using Rakta Chandana. So Amika Prayoga, therapeutic uses. So in case of Bhagna, there is Asti Bhagna. The combination of Manjishta Churna, Madhuka, Rakta Chandana, Shali mixed with the Shatadauta Gruta and applied externally. So there is some the preparations, especially the Shweta Chandana can be taken internally, whereas Rakta Chandana, if it is not specified, so you can use for external application. If it is specifically mentioned that it can be used internally, so at that time in that condition only you can use externally. Otherwise, don't ask the patient give internally. So if it is not specified, only for external applications. If it is specifically mentioned, it should be given internally. At that time only you can prescribe Rakta Chandana for internal administration. So there is someone saying that Shweta Chandana is meant for internal administration, whereas Rakta Chandana for external applications. Usually they used to say, but it can be administered in specific conditions. Okay. So in case of Asthibhagna conditions, you can apply external applications. Okay. In case of Hikka, so Rakta Chandana is saturated with the breast milk and used for Nashya Karma. So Nashya Karma you can use the Rakta Chandana. In case of Vyangha, that is external application of the paste prepared from Rakta Chandana, Manjishta, Kushta, Priyangu, Vatashrunga, Mashura. So by using all these drugs, you can prepare the lepa. That lepa is applied over the Vyanga conditions, okay, over the face. So the useful part is Kandasara, the Churna as same Chandana, Vishishta yogas like this, Chandanadi Taila, Chandana Sabha, Chandanadya, Varti. So these are some of the preparations. Okay. So some of the apart from the medicinal values, see like this, the royal families they used to prepare the ornaments by using Rakta Chandana as because of its hard nature and because of its durability. So thousands of years it will not affected by any insects, any worms. It is not affected. So because of this, they have more the cost of the drug is very high. Okay, these are some of the pictures. Okay, so by this I want to conclude the today's topic, that is Shishira Dvayam, or you can say Chandana Dvaya. Thank you for your patience hearing. Thank you.